In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import into an existing Asana project. We'll walk through the full process together so you can quickly bring tasks from a spreadsheet or other tools into a project you already have set up in Asana. First, sign into your Asana account and head to your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of teams and projects. Take a moment to find the specific project you want to import tasks into. This is important, because everything you import in this process will go directly into that selected project. Click on the project name to open it. Once your project opens in the main workspace area, look toward the top left of the screen. You'll see the project's name displayed there. Just to the right of that name, there's a small downward pointing arrow. Click on that arrow to open the project options menu. In this menu, hover your mouse over the import option. Asana will show you several choices for importing, such as from a file, from a CSV, or from email. In this walkthrough, we'll use the CSV option, since that's one of the most common ways to bring in data from spreadsheets or other tools. After you click on CSV, the page will reload and you'll be taken to Asana's import screen. Here, Asana gives you different ways to bring in data. You can upload a CSV file from your computer or connect from other tools like Monday, Trello, Airtable, or Smartsheet. For this example, we'll import a CSV file that's already saved on your computer. Click the option to upload from your computer. A file browser window will pop up showing your folders and files. Navigate to the location where you've saved your CSV, select the correct file, and then confirm by clicking Open or pressing Enter on your keyboard. Asana will start uploading your file. Wait for the upload to fully complete. This might take a few moments, depending on the size of your file and your internet connection. Once the upload is done, the page will reload and show you a preview of how your imported tasks will look inside the project. Carefully review this preview. Check that the columns from your CSV are mapped correctly to fields in Asana, such as task name, assignee, due date, and any custom fields you're using. If something doesn't look right, or if you want to adjust which columns go where, click the option to make changes and update your mappings until everything looks correct. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Go to Project. Asana will finalize the import and then load your project. After a short moment, you'll see the updated version of your existing project, now including all the tasks you've just imported. From here, you can begin organizing, assigning, and scheduling those tasks just like any others in Asana.